Hello and welcome to AI Journals. Today I'm going to show you how you can create kids animation videos that makes thousands and thousands of pounds from YouTube. In fact, one of these kids videos, this one, is making about £31,000 a month, which is about £373,000 a year. That's a lot of money, man, from a YouTube channel. So let's just dive straight into it. What we do is the first thing is to go to ChatGPT to give you an idea about the particular video that you would like to make. So I'll go to my Google Doc. I have a little prompt written just to save time here. Then I'll come back to ChatGPT and I'll paste it here. Command V. Okay. So what I'm telling ChatGPT is to give me 5 best kids animation video titles and descriptions that are trending on YouTube right now. So that's it's doing it. And now here they are. It says Wheels on the Bus by Coco Melon. Okay. So these are the ones that are trending. So what we can do is take inspiration from that and then pick any of the titles here. So this one says Floppy and Friends Forest Fun. Laugh and learn with Floppy, the bunny, and their forest friends. So this is quite interesting. So I might just take this one. So it's up to you really what you would like to create, but so now the fun thing is coming now. So what the next thing that I use, the next resource that I use, next program that I use is InVideo AI. So because I've already signed up to InVideo AI, if not, this is the page you will come to. So on this page it says sign up. Then you sign up. I have a description. I have a link on the description below where you can click and sign up to InVideo AI. It's a very, very good program. So once you log in, and then it will take you to the page where it will say create AI InVideo AI video, and then you will come to this page. So once you are here, you are ready to start creating. So you just give a prompt to the program and then you just sit back and watch it do its thing. So I have a prompt here written down and I've just copied it to save time, and then I'll bring it here. That's what I normally do, just to so what I've put down here is create a 1-minute 3D animation for kids YouTube channel that talks about. So now I'll go back to ChatGPT and get the title of what I want the video to talk about. So get that title and then I put it back here. Now it says that talks about Floppy and Friends Forest Fun. Okay, so just to make it a bit clearer and more fun, I might as well add this description that ChatGPT gave us. So I'll copy that and then I come back to InVideo. I just put a colon on there and then I put that on. So now it says Floppy and Friends Forest Fun. Laugh and learn with fun. So this gives a bit more description. So the video should use bright, friendly 3D visuals with simple, consistent animation. The narration should be in third person. It's very nice to make it in third person. Warm, lively, and slow paced. The video should make the viewer understand what they are doing and make it fun and happy. Okay, so I'm quite happy with the prompt. So once you've done that, then you just click on generate a video. And now video AI is going to do its things. Now it's just analyzing and it's thinking about it. So it's still thinking, you know, and then it does its things, and we'll come back once it's finished. Okay, so now welcome back. Let's see what we've created, and then let's play. So it's now giving us the title, which we did, Floppy and Friends Forest Fun. Let's play.
Meet Floppy, a fluffy little bunny who lives in a colorful forest. Floppy loves playing with his favorite toy, a shiny red ball. One day, Floppy's friends Squirrel and Deer came to play. They asked if they could play with Floppy's ball too. At first, Floppy wasn't sure. He hugged his ball tightly. But then Squirrel showed Floppy how they could play catch together. Floppy saw how much fun it was to share his toy. Soon, all the forest friends were laughing and playing together. Floppy realized sharing made playtime even more special. From that day on, Floppy always shared his toys with a big smile.
Wow. All you now need to do is to download it, and then you upload to your channel. Wow. So let me know on the comments below what you think. If there's anything we need to improve on our channel, remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, to support the channel. The link for the video is on the description below. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.